Donald Trump's 50% tariff come into effect today. India prepares multi-pronged strategy to seal economy. Details here. Effective today, India faces a 50% tariff on its goods exported to the US. As the stalemate on trade talks between Donald Trump administration and India continues, the government is looking at multiple ways to minimize the effect of punitive tariffs. The 50% tariffs will come into effect at 9:30 am on Wednesday morning. The duties are effective with respect to products of India that are entered for consumption or withdrawn from warehouse for consumption. On August 27, the U.S. Department of Homeland Security shared in a draft order. Discussions are ongoing between India and U.S. regarding a bilateral trade agreement. The U.S. delegation visit to India planned for August 25 has been deferred. Starting August 7, the U.S. implemented a 25% reciprocal tariff on specific Indian imports. Additionally, a 25% ad valorem duty became effective from Wednesday as a consequence of India's oil procurement from Russia. India's export to the U.S. amounted to $86 billion in financial year 2025. Labor-intensive industries are particularly vulnerable with exports of textile, shrimp, leather and gems and jewelry, and expected to face severe impacts. The duty exemptions remain in place for pharmaceutical, electronics and petroleum products. The seafood industry, particularly shrimp farming, faces significant challenges including potential inventory losses, supply chain interruptions and agricultural distress. Now, what is the government planning? Senior level discussions are currently underway to evaluate the circumstances with the officials, confirming that no retaliatory action will be taken. Deliberations in the government have been ongoing and the meetings with the industry are also taking place. An official told the Commerce and Industry Ministry has developed a 25,000 crore export promotion mission to safeguard the exporter. The initiative includes trade finance, standards implementation, regulatory aspect, market accessibility, brand India enhancement and e-commerce facilities, warehousing solutions and trade facilitation measures. Speaking at the Economic Times World Leaders Forum, the Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal emphasized that while India's relationship with the US remains significant, India's decisions are guided solely by national interest. Clarified that India maintains separate approaches towards trade and geopolitical matters. Our ministry and different line of ministries are already looking at the complementarity of our strength areas with other economies. We can look at expanding our trade with other countries. There are different ways to ameliorate this current situation. The authorities are considering modification to the GST structure. Support will be provided to domestic sectors including food processing and textiles through GST adjustment to enhance internal demand.